Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Discovering Success. Uncover your purpose, passion, and path. Lecture 10. In this lecture, we will learn about living a fulfilling and successful life, defining success on your own terms, balancing work, personal life, and well-being, cultivating happiness and fulfillment along the journey, celebrating milestones and achievements, evolving and growing on the path to success, living a fulfilling and successful life, defining success on your own terms. Success is often defined by society's standards: high-paying job, a big house, a fancy car. But what if we redefine success on our own terms? What if we prioritize happiness, personal growth, and fulfillment over material possessions? It's time to challenge the status quo and create our own definition of success. Take a moment to reflect on what truly matters to you. Is it spending time with loved ones? Pursuing a passion project? Making a positive impact in your community, whatever it may be? Embrace it and strive towards it with passion and purpose. Balancing work, personal life, and well-being. In today's fast-paced world, it can be challenging to balance work, personal life, and well-being. However, it's essential to prioritize self-care and set boundaries to achieve a healthy work-life balance. One practical tip is to schedule time for yourself in your calendar, just like you would for a meeting or appointment. This could be anything from taking a yoga class to reading a book or going for a walk. It's crucial to make time for activities that bring you joy and help you recharge. Another strategy is to set clear boundaries between work and personal life. This could mean turning off your phone after a certain time or not checking emails on weekends. It's important to communicate these boundaries with colleagues and family members to ensure they are respected. Remember, achieving a healthy work-life balance is an ongoing process that requires effort and intentionality. By prioritizing self-care and setting boundaries, you can improve your overall well-being and lead a more fulfilling life, cultivating happiness and fulfillment along the journey. Happiness and fulfillment are not destinations, but rather a journey. It's important to find joy in the present moment while working towards our goals. One way to cultivate happiness is through gratitude. Take time each day to reflect on what you're thankful for, no matter how small it may seem. This helps shift our focus from what we lack to what we have, leading to a more positive outlook on life. Another way to find fulfillment is by pursuing our passions. Whether it's painting, writing, or playing an instrument, engaging in activities that bring us joy can have a significant impact on our overall well-being. It allows us to tap into our creativity and express ourselves in ways that words cannot. Don't be afraid to try something new or revisit an old hobby. You never know where it might lead you. Celebrating milestones and achievements. Celebrating our accomplishments is an important part of personal and professional growth. It allows us to reflect on the hard work and dedication that went into achieving our goals, and gives us a sense of pride and satisfaction, whether it's a small victory or a major milestone. Taking the time to acknowledge and celebrate our achievements can be a powerful motivator for future success. There are many creative ways to celebrate our accomplishments, from throwing a party or treating ourselves to something special, to sharing our success with others and giving back to our community. Whatever we choose to do, the key is to make it meaningful and memorable, and to savor the moment before moving on to the next challenge. Continuously evolving and growing on the path to success. In order to achieve success, it's important to continuously evolve and grow. This means being open to change and embracing new opportunities for learning and development. By doing so, you'll be able to stay ahead of the curve and remain competitive in your field. Lifelong learning is a key component of personal and professional growth. It allows you to acquire new skills and knowledge, and stay up to date with the latest trends and technologies. Whether it's attending workshops, taking courses, or simply reading books and articles, there are countless ways to continue learning throughout your life. Living a fulfilling and successful life. In summary, success is a personal and subjective concept that should be defined on your own terms. It's important to prioritize work-life balance, self-care, and continuous growth to achieve happiness and fulfillment in life. Celebrating milestones and Achievements along the way can help you stay motivated and inspired. Remember to embrace change and keep learning to reach your full potential. As we conclude this presentation, I encourage you to reflect on your own definition of success and take actionable steps towards living a fulfilling and successful life. You have the power to create your own path and define your own version of success. Believe in yourself and trust the journey.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.